If you love sewing your own clothes but are feeling intimidated to tackle making your own trousers, please let me help. I'm Heather Liu of sewing pattern company Closet Core Patterns, and in this, our latest sewing class, Learn to Sew Trousers, I'm going to teach you how to make pants and trousers of all kinds, anytime, anywhere, from the comfort of your own home. Yes, you can make pants, and I'm going to show you how. Using your choice of 3 included patterns, I'm gonna walk you through sewing a beautiful pair of trousers from start to finish. You'll learn all of our best tips and tricks for making beautiful pants that look like they were made by a professional tailor. I'll help take the fear and intimidation out of the pants making process as we dig into the fundamentals, from understanding bottom weight fabrics to choosing the right inner facings to sewing a complete pair of trousers from first stitch to final hem. In this class, we'll be covering how to sew a beautiful fly front zipper, and I promise it is so much easier than you think. We're also going to be talking a lot about pockets, like how to construct perfect welt pockets and how to sew beautiful angled pockets that don't sag or gape. We're also going to focus on how to add stability and strength for trousers that will last a lifetime, how to build future ease into your pants patterns so that they can be easily let out in the future, and everything that I know about sewing beautiful waistbands and waist facings for pants that look as good as they feel to wear. Included in this class is your choice of 3 of our best-selling trouser patterns. The Mitchell trousers are a chic yet timeless pleated style with a tapered or wide leg and a sleek waist facing. Jenny is a flat front trouser with 2 leg shapes and a lapped side zipper. Finally, you can also choose Sasha, our classic flat front work pant that's designed for stretch fabrics. Whatever you choose, by the end of this class, you will be well on your way to becoming a pants making pro. Teaching people how to take their sewing to the next level is our mission at Closet Core Patterns, and I am so excited to teach you everything I know so that you can go on to make pants and trousers with confidence and pride.